Hello friends, welcome back to TradeMaker channel. In this video I'll be doing the analysis for US dollar to Canadian dollar. US dollar, this pair has been trending since last week or month, so uh, let's see what's going on here. So it crossed this 200 moving average and it is come until this level, taking this support, and there is a clear buy here and it is at the 200 level. So what you can expect, I believe, let's draw some trend lines. What's going on here? It's in clear downtrend. It also broke this triangle here, breakout, and if we draw, this is a major support, took and it bounced back. So I feel like what you can expect, there are two possibilities. Either it can come down here to retest this support, go up and then down, or else if it clears this trend line here, it might go up like this. So let's see how it goes on this pair. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe.